Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am coming with this super cute idea of making heart-shaped cake gift box for Valentine's Day, where I will share from scratch how to make the base box, how to decorate this as the cake, the complete icing, these super cute bunnies, and here I have used paper quilling strips and clay to create the box cake. And inside the box I have added some chocolates, but you can put any kind of gifts for your loved ones. So without any further delay, let's get started. Here I am taking 8 by 8 centimeter rough paper and just folded this into half, created the heart shaped template in half side, then cutting both the layers together to create the heart shape. Like this. Then I am tracing this heart on red color cardstock. Red cardstock is having 250 GSM thickness, and then I am cutting the red heart shape. Like this, so it will be the base of our box. Then I am taking a red cardstock strip which is 5 by 30 centimeters, and from top I have folded at 1 centimeters. Now on the folded part I am going to stick double-sided tacky tape to construct the edge of the box. Burnish it nicely, and now removing the liner of the double-sided tape, and then start cutting the fringes of this 1 centimeter folded part like this. So all the fringes are cut. Then I am just aligning it around the edge of the heart and start sticking like this along the design of heart, and just cover it completely to create the box shape. Now taking one more small piece of red color strip and connecting in the center part like this to close the heart shape. So base box is ready. Then from backside I am covering using same size heart shape to make it finished and to make it look nicer. And this is done. Then to make lid I am taking my template again, and I have cut one more heart shape which is little bigger than the base, and taking this strip which is 2.5 by 30 centimeters, and I have already folded at 1 centimeters and created the fringe by adding double-sided tape. So just like we created the base box, I am going to creating the lid. So along the edge I am sticking this strip. So the box with lid is ready, and tada, this is fitting perfectly, nice and sturdy. And to make it more sturdier, because we are going to add some items in the box, I am taking here 4 by 30 centimeters pink color cardstock and just covering it from outside of the box. like this. Then taking a 2 by 15 centimeter dark pink color cardstock strip and just creating some grooves using my tool just to create some designs. This is the scoring board. And sticking this strip on the box just below the lid. Like this, very pretty. Then to decorate the icing part, here I am taking one strip of white color in 3mm and making one tight coil dome. Adding glue inside the dome, and this is ready. Similarly, I have prepared lots of domes already. Now taking back my box, adding glue on the bottom edge and start connecting these tight coil domes on the edge one by one, and just to cover the whole base heart shape. So this is completely ready and this is looking absolutely stunning. Now for the next layer, here I am taking dark pink color clay and white clay and just rolling it on the surface, creating a long pipe shape. Then just joining both the pieces together and making the rope kind of design. Here instead of white pink, I have decided to take pink rope design only. So I am taking 2 pipes and created the rope. Now decorating the second layer using this beautiful rope pattern. And with a similar rope pattern, I have decorated the lid of the box like this. Now on top of the lid, I am randomly sticking some white color small clay balls just to add a tip of the icing. Like this. Then for the next design, here I am taking 1/4 strip of red color in 3mm and making one leaf shape. Similarly, I have prepared lots of leaf shapes. Then taking back my box, and on the third layer I am going to stick these leaf shapes. Then for the fourth layer, I am going to stick pink color tight coil domes, which are made using half strip of pink color in 3mm. And this is completely ready, looking absolutely stunning and super yummy. So it will look like this. On the edge of lid as well, I have added a rope pattern. Now I am showing you the next decoration part for the lid. Here I am taking half strip of white color in 3mm and making one bended leaf shape. Similarly, I have prepared lots of bended leaves already. And to create small bows, I have used my bow mold and just filled with red color clay. So first I am connecting some bows in equal distance, and between the bow pattern I am sticking my bended leaf shape design. Like this. Then on top of the lid inside the rope pattern, I am sticking red color tight coils in 3 mm which are made using 1/4 strips. Then I am showing you how to make super cute bunny. So here I am taking air dry clay, taking a small ball to create the body of the bunny, then taking a little bigger ball for the face, connecting the face with body. Then taking one small part to create hand like a teardrop shape. Two small balls for the legs and one teeny ball for the tail. Sticking all the parts. I am creating the face on the side looking posture. So attaching only one hand like this, creating the bunny structure. Now to create ears, I am taking 2 small teardrop shape of clay. Adding 2 small pink color teardrops on top of this, cutting it from bottom. And the ears are ready. Then I am taking back the bunny, and this is the front face like this here. So just taking a tool, creating a dent to attach the ears, and the super cute bunny structure is ready. With the similar method, I already prepared my bunny girl, which is completely dried, and I have just added eyes and nose and cute bow on one ear. And this is the mirror image to create the boy bunny. So I am just decorating with small triangle pink color clay nose, adding eyes using black marker, and adding a bow as the necktie in dark brown color. So the boy bunny is also ready. Now I am taking red color clay ball as the cherry, creating one hole on the top and just sticking one clay stem inside the cherry. With the same method, I have prepared some more cherries. Now taking back my box, first I am sticking both the bunnies in the center and sticking one small clay heart between both the bunnies' hands. Like this. And then adding these cherries here and there just to decorate the lid little more to give it realistic cake look. And this is completely ready, looking very pretty. The color combination is very cute. Then I'm filling my box with lots of chocolates, but you can put wristwatch or any jewelry, small perfume bottles, whatever you want to gift. And the super cute, yummy, cherry heart-shaped gift box cake is completely ready for your Valentine. And that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.